How's it going, wealth builders? This is your king, and you're tuned in to Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, and more specifically, Bitcoin. Wealth builders, in 2023, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are making waves in the financial world. As the popularity of these cryptocurrencies continues to soar, it is essential for us to understand this digital asset. However, many are still in the dark about what Bitcoin is and how it could impact their financial future. Well, worry less because I am your guide on this journey, remember? So, without further ado, come join your king and let's get started. Alright, you know the drill. Let us define first what a Bitcoin is. Wealth builders, Bitcoin in its essence is a revolutionary digital currency designed to function independently on traditional financial institutions like banks. Imagine it as a modern take on cash, but in a digital format residing in a digital wallet accessible through your smartphone or computer. The fundamental distinction lies in its decentralized nature, which means no central authority controls it. It's like having a virtual wallet that you control, no banks, no middlemen. Instead, Bitcoin relies on a vast network of computers worldwide that collectively ensure the integrity and security of the currency. Simply put, Bitcoin fosters financial freedom, allowing users to control their own wealth without the need for intermediaries. At the heart of Bitcoin's operation is its blockchain, an unalterable public ledger where all transactions are recorded. Wealth builders, this blockchain is the backbone of Bitcoin, assuring transparency and safeguarding against fraudulent activities. Unlike conventional currencies, which can be subject to inflation due to central bank policies, Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins, which adds a deflationary aspect to its value. As your king, I must say that this scarcity can potentially make Bitcoin an attractive store of value and a hedge against economic uncertainties. Now, let's talk about the potential of Bitcoin in the near future. Your king feels that you are brimming with interest to know this. Wealth builders, Bitcoin have the potential to revolutionize finance. It could become a global reserve currency, meaning it would be widely accepted and held by governments and institutions as a reliable store of value, much like gold. This could reduce dependence on traditional fiat currencies and their inherent vulnerabilities. Additionally, Bitcoin's potential in the near future as a hedge against inflation cannot be overstated. In times of economic turbulence and uncertainty, this digital currency offers a haven for preserving wealth. As your king mentioned earlier, it has the unique feature of a capped supply at 21 million coins, guaranteeing a level of scarcity not seen in traditional currencies. And bear in mind, wealth builders, this scarcity has consistently propelled its value upward throughout its existence. Furthermore, Bitcoin's borderless nature means it can facilitate instant, low-cost, cross-border transactions. Now, wealth builders, imagine a future where you can send money to anyone, anywhere in the world without the hassles of hefty fees or delays. Major companies and financial institutions are already integrating Bitcoin into their operations, indicating growing mainstream acceptance. By that, you can immediately see that Bitcoin has great potential ahead. In the near future, believe your king. Bitcoin may play a pivotal role in reshaping the financial landscape, offering individuals greater financial freedom and access to a truly global economy. Now, here's the question that might be running through your mind. King, is Bitcoin a wise investment choice? Well, personally, I must say yes. But let's not jump to conclusions just yet. Let me tell you, wealth builders, it's important to note that just like any other investment, Bitcoin comes with its fair share of risks. However, the advantages are also compelling, and I'll tell you this, they will leave you saying, wow. So, enough talk, let's now discuss the risks and advantages of this amazing crypto, Bitcoin. First, on the risk side, one of the most prominent risks associated with Bitcoin is its remarkable price volatility. Unlike traditional assets such as stocks or bonds, Bitcoin's value can experience jaw-dropping fluctuations within a matter of hours or even minutes. Wealth builders, this extreme volatility can be both a blessing and a curse, as it offers the potential for significant gains but also exposes investors to substantial losses. I must say, for those who thrive on adrenaline and don't mind the roller coaster ride, Bitcoin's price swings can be exhilarating. However, for beginners like you, it's vital to remember that this unpredictability may not suit everyone's risk tolerance. Your king's piece of advice for you wealth builders is to think carefully and make smart investments in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's price volatility isn't a risk to be taken lightly. It's a defining feature of this digital asset that can lead to exhilarating gains or gut-wrenching losses. Another notable risk associated with Bitcoin lies in the realm of regulatory changes. Wealth builders, while Bitcoin operates in a decentralized and often borderless fashion, governments and financial institutions across the globe have been keeping a watchful eye on this digital asset. The fear is that abrupt or stringent regulatory shifts could stifle its growth and disrupt the ecosystem that has evolved around it. As a result, investors and users need to be vigilant about how various jurisdictions decide to regulate or even ban Bitcoin, as these actions could lead to fluctuations in its value and accessibility. Geez, even your king here might freak out when that day actually happens. But on the flip side, Bitcoin has its advantages, and the first one to stand out is its role as a hedge against inflation. Wealth builders, in an era of ever-looming currency devaluation and economic uncertainties, Bitcoin offers investors a unique avenue to safeguard their wealth. Unlike traditional currencies that can lose value due to factors like excessive printing, Bitcoin operates on a finite supply. This scarcity gives it inherent resilience against inflationary pressures, making it a valuable addition to any investment portfolio. As the renowned billionaire investor and entrepreneur Paul Tudor Jones cleverly said, the best profit-maximizing strategy is to own the fastest horse. In the context of Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, this quote emphasizes the unique advantage of Bitcoin in protecting one's wealth from the erosive effects of inflation. Your king knows without a doubt that by allocating a portion of your portfolio to Bitcoin, beginner investors can potentially benefit from its ability to retain and even appreciate in value during times of economic turbulence, serving as a powerful financial safeguard. As another point on the list, it's essential to highlight Bitcoin's exceptional ability to promote global inclusion. Imagine this, wealth builders. As long as you're hooked up to the internet, you have the key to the kingdom of Bitcoin, regardless of where you are in the world. This digital currency transcends geographical boundaries, making it accessible to virtually anyone with an internet connection. Whether you're in a bustling city or a remote village, as long as you're online, you can be part of the global financial revolution. Now that you are knowledgeable about the risks, advantages, and potential of Bitcoin, ask yourself, wealth builders, do I want to level up this knowledge and experience the real deal of investing in Bitcoin? If you find yourself nodding and smiling, the answer is probably a big yes. And with that, I invite you to watch the next video that your king will be making, a step-by-step guide for beginners in Bitcoin investing. I assure you, you'll be equipped with information. So, there you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. I'll see you next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.